Welcome back to Education to All. In this video, we are going to learn about the inventor behind the N95 Mask. Peter Desai is a Taiwanese-American material scientist who was born approximately in 1952 according to Wikipedia. Inventor who is best known for the inventing and patenting the N95 Mask. He is an expert in the field of non-woven fabric, and Peter Desai has a 12 patent to his name, and he has consulted over 170 companies. Growing up on the family farm in Taichung, Desai said that he had to help and income as a child, so he had a little time for studies. Education. After graduating from Taichung Municipal Shinwei Senior High School, he had studied chemical fiber engineering at the Provincial Taipei Institute of Technology, now Taipei. Because he wanted to learn a marketable skill, Desai graduated in 1975, just in time for the golden age of Taiwan's textile industry. In that era of rapid growth and textiles surpassed electronics in the total export value, Desai quickly landed his first job at the China Testing and Research Center, now the Taiwan Textile Research Institute, where he helped the Industrial Development Bureau oversee quality management in the textile industry. Later, he went on to work as a dyeing and finishing plant. Trust for knowledge. This I say, I did not think too much of it at the time. I just had an urge to keep learning. The PhD courses he enrolled in paved the way for the birth of the N95 Mask. Strictly speaking, Desai did not invent the N95 Mask, but he came with the know-how to use in the modern version. There is a layer of melt blown fabric at the respirator core. It is produced by combining two technology, melt blown and electrostatics. The process of melt blowing can turn fiber into the non-woven fabrics with incredibly fine pores. The fiber strands are only 1 to 2 micrometer in diameter. That's about 100 thickness of human hair. The electrostatic charging process imbues the fiber with electric charge, forming the electric. Such material can absorb and capture viruses or bacteria, increasing the respirator filtering capability by tenfold. Peter Desai, inventor of the key technology used in the N95 respirator, demonstrates how woven fabric gain adhesive properties. N95, an interdisciplinary invention. The melt-blown and electrostatic charging technology had from the two different disciplines, engineering and material development, because Desai learned it from different disciplines, and because he integrated what he learned, he was able to solve the dual problem of producing non-woven fabric with the melt blown process and improving with filtering capability with the electrostatic charging process. He helped the research team at the University of Tennessee successfully develop this technology. In 2016, recognition of his contribution as a faculty member who has excelled in the commercialization of the university-based research results, he was given the famous B. Otto and Kathleen Wheeler Award by the University of Tennessee. More information and an international authority on the melt blowing and electrostatic charging and technology. Desai started transferring his knowledge to the world through the University of Tennessee. The United States was the first to benefit as the year went by. His clients spanned the globe from North America to Europe, from Asia to Australia. Non-woven fabric created through this process has 10 times the filtering capability of untreated material. It is also thin but sturdy, not only kind of fabric widely used in N95 masks. Many medical respirators also include the same material. Inventing new patent after retirement, Desai did not stop improving the electrostatic charging process. In 2018, he developed the hydro-turbo electrification technique by soaking non-woven fabric in ultra-pure water, then removing the water with a high-pressure vacuum. Desai said that the hydro-turbo electrification process is currently used make high-efficiency filter for air purifier, commonly known as HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filters. Air purifier need to be as quiet as possible, so air resistance must be reduced to minimum. Because of this, air purifier work quicker to employ the hydro-turbo electrification technology. If the process can be applied to the N95 respirator, the same degree filtering can be achieved with Thorny. Because of recent development, although he is retired, Desai is still working and continues to study how he can improve the marks so they can be used repeatedly. He is writing articles, taking interviews, and working tirelessly to share his knowledge. The day he was interviewed by Commonwealth magazine, Desai also received multiple phone calls. His passion and enthusiasm remain undiminished.